Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable RCS messaging on mobile. First of all, open your default messaging app such as Google Messages. Tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and choose Messages Settings. Now choose General. Look for the Chat Features or RCS messaging option and tap on it. Toggle off the option for enable chat features to disable RCS messaging. Confirm your choice by tapping turn off. This will disable RCS messaging on your device. And that's it. RCS messaging is now turned off. Your device will use standard SMS and MMS.